Have you ever wondered what it means to stitch with just 2 threads in a serger? This serger, the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S400, can do 4-thread, 3-thread, and 2-thread overlocked edges. So I've actually got it set up for 2 threads right now, but I want to show you how we did it. But I'm going to show you how to do the rolled hem version of it. So it's a very gentle edge. So using only 1 looper, the lower looper, you see that's the one that's threaded here. And you can actually use either needle. So right now I have the right needle in, and if for a narrow version, but if you wanted a wide version of this, just put the left needle in and set it up. You just can't do the rolled hem version with the wide setting. So you have to use the right needle here. So what we have is a little tool that we needed to use for inside here to convert the machine from a 3-thread to a 2-thread. Since the machine still needs to be thinking it has thread in the upper looper, there is a 2-thread converter. So here is where it normally sits. If you've ever wondered what it was doing way out here, this is going to flip into place. So that little peg on the opposite end of the needle inserting tool is going to sit in that little hole, flip it all the way over, and then give it a little push and down, so that it's kind of a little finger at the end, sits in the hole of the upper looper. Now, when you actually take a stitch, the lower looper thread is caught on it and brought up to the needle. It doesn't normally need to be brought up there, but for this stitch, it does. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up. I've gone ahead and pulled my stitch finger towards me. And if you want to shorten the stitch length, that is up to you. Let's just see what it looks like at a normal stitch length. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. If you have lightweight fabrics, very delicate fabrics, this is one way to do it. It really puts a super soft edge. So if you only have 2 threads that match, you can put 1 in your needle, 1 in your lower looper, use a 2-thread and not have to worry about trying to get that 3rd one to match at all. So it does just nice, again, a little bit close up on a 2-thread for with the stitch finger pushed in, and then that beautiful 2-thread rolled hem. So when you're done with this, don't forget, push your stitch finger back in, and then also maybe flip that 2-thread converter out, and maybe even rethread, maybe back to a 3-thread or 4-thread serger, so you don't forget what you did, especially if there's a little time between when you do this and your next project.